Hello, today I'll be showing you how I prepared this delicious cocoyam or ede meal. Very delicious. In case if you have not done this, if you have not cooked this meal before, follow my step. You can do it. Buy your cocoyam, wash it very thoroughly, put it inside a pot, pour water inside a pot, then you put it on fire, cook for 30 minutes, then you check whether it is done. When it is done, it will be very soft. Then you now peel the back. After peeling the back, you start when you are cooking it is when you prepare your ingredients. Make your ingredients to be ready before the cocoyam will done. So you start slicing, you wash your vegetable. Here I used Anara. This meal is very delicious. I've not used only Anara before. I used to make it with Anara combined with other vegetables like green or any other one, but today I used only Anara. This Anara is very delicious. The taste is wow, very different and very okay. In fact, I recommend it. So you buy your Anara, wash it thoroughly with clean water. You can wash it for multiple times. You slice it, pound your pepper, and so you get your salt ready, onion, then the red pepper, you pound it, okpaka. This one makes everything different. Original okpaka, the red pepper, green pepper. If you have yellow, you can also put it. It adds to the taste. This is the almighty Anara. You remember your red oil too. So after this, now you now proceed to putting the peeled cocoyam on fire again. Do not add water this time around. Just put it on fire. Add the vegetables or the vegetable you're using. You have already known I'm using Anara leaf. You add your vegetable. So you add other things, other ingredients like this, the pepper, the onion, your salt, and cover the pot. Allow it, the vegetable to cook. You cover your pot, allow it to cook. Note, you don't add the okpaka and red oil now. So when you check the vegetable, if it is okay by you, you now add your okpaka. Turn it off your gas. Turn off your gas immediately. Then you turn it together and now put your red oil. Not when it is still on fire for me. After you must have turned off your gas, you add your red oil, turn it very well, and your food is ready. This oba is packed with good bacteria that help your body in so many ways. So I don't like cooking it for a long time. If possible, if I'm the one that's if I prepare it by myself, I will not even cook it. I'll just add it. When I'm done cooking, I will add it and just turn it, put my so the food is done. Very delicious. You can see the look alone has said it all. You enjoy it with red pepper. If you have also tomatoes, you add. Like, share, subscribe for more. Thank you.